In a shocking incident that unfolded on May 25, 2019, the San Marcos Police Department used excessive force against a deaf man, John Kelly. The disturbing encounter. Responding to a call about a possible physical disturbance, officers encountered John Kelly and his wife Mary, who had been talking in their car with their children. Misunderstanding their heated sign language conversation as aggression, someone reported the incident to 911. As John Kelly walked away from the vehicle, the police arrived on the scene. With his hands raised, Kelly was unable to hear the officer's commands due to his deafness. Body camera footage reveals the officers instructing Kelly to stop, but his inability to hear them led to his continued movement. Excessive force unleashed. Despite the absence of any immediate threat, 3 officers deployed a stun gun against Kelly without warning. It was only after the use of force that they realized he was deaf. This shocking revelation, captured on video, underscores the violation of Kelly's rights.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Do it now! Okay. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, sir. Alright, grab his hands. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Roll over. Grab his hand. Just get on your stomach. Turn around. Just have him stand up. I think he's cooperative. Let me see your hands. Hands. Let me see your hands. I think he's gonna fall. Let's just get him up. Come here. Hey. He's not being compliant. Look at me. Hey. Look at me. Sit.
Adam 3, myself and Baker 3 are at McCoy's. The other officers are going to be in front of DPN. Frank 5 we have EMS sitting your way.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Try and find his glasses. Hey. He saw us when we showed up, right? He kept walking. You got tased. You want no EMS? You don't want any? Get it.
Got a flash on. Okay, stop. Deep breath.
Receive that. We'll stop showing you out with 321. You got it.
Okay. And there's 1, 2, that's 2.
This should be all of them.
There's one on the hood of the truck.
Yeah, we found one in front earlier. If there's any left, it may be on his shorts.
It's okay. If not, we can get on the phone.
The pursuit of justice. In 2021, 2 years after the incident, Kelly and his attorney, Rebecca Weber, filed a federal lawsuit against the city of San Marcos and the 3 officers involved. The lawsuit alleges the violation of Kelly's civil rights and the Americans with Disabilities Act, citing the excessive use of force against an innocent individual who was neither arrested nor charged with any offense.
There's this culture of impunity in the San Marcos Police Department. When you have people with this much disciplinary history and you're still putting them out on the street and you're not reviewing their arrest records and their use of force, you're just setting up a situation where someone's rights are going to be violated.
The chief's response, San Marcos Police Chief Stan Standridge, in response to the incident, claimed that all 3 officers have now completed a course on interacting with individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing. Chief Standridge maintains that the use of force was within department policy. Therefore, the cops involved in the incident will still be working in the department. The need for improved communication. John Kelly, still traumatized by the incident, calls for better communication between law enforcement and the deaf community. The ongoing battle for justice. As the lawsuit progresses, a judge will determine if it will proceed to a jury trial, with a decision expected by August or September 2023. The harrowing incident involving John Kelly and the San Marcos Police Department sheds light on the challenges faced by the deaf community when interacting with law enforcement. If you want to watch more police cam stories, subscribe and turn on notifications for more. Thanks for watching.